Imagine a system where only one person has the controller.
This is a centralized system. I control everything. If I drop this remote, it's game over.
Now imagine multiple kids, each with a little part of the control.
This is a decentralized system. No single point of failure.
Centralized is simple but risky. Decentralized is complex but stronger.
Like banks, they're centralized. One place holds your money and controls access.
Centralized systems are easier to manage. But if something goes wrong, it can take everything down. But decentralized systems are like a web. If one part fails, the rest still works.
I'd rather share control than risk losing it all.
In games, the server's the boss. If it crashes, no one plays.
Even governments can be centralized or shared, like a democracy.
But in peer-to-peer games, everyone helps host. No single failure.
Centralized or decentralized. It depends on what you need.
Just make sure you are not stuck if one part fails.
Which system would you trust with your data? Centralized or decentralized? Vote now.